Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You'll want to have your shirt or top on, such as a choli, your petticoat, sometimes called an inskirt, on and tied snug, and your shoes on before you start wrapping. The top worn with a sari is typically known as blouse choli.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tips to looking hot and sexy in sari. Number 1. Fabric matters. If you want to look glamorous in sari for your special occasion, pick the right fabric. Number 2. Hot blouse designs. Sexy blouse designs will completely glamorize your look. Number 3. Pick right accessories. Number 4. Hairdo and makeup with sari. Number 5. Wrap it in style.
Take our lead.
Never go for plain sheer fabric when you want to hide belly fat. Whatever could be the reason, today I came up with a few ideas to hide your belly while wearing the sari without any hesitation. Use lengthy blouse on sari. Wear cape blouse on sari. Wear corset blouse with sari.
Take our lead.
3 saris to start with if you've never worn one. Part 1. Raw silk. If you're planning on purchasing a sari for the first time, I'll assume that it's to wear to an event or a special occasion. Chettinad cotton. When I started working, chettinad cotton saris were my choice of office wear because the price point of these saris was extremely wallet-friendly. Kesh.
Take our lead.
One should not drape casually for the sake of wearing. If the draping of sari is not perfect, it is better not to wear it. If you are a non-Indian who want to wear sari, then it shows the respect towards the attire. It is not disrespectful.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.